Well, we've made it to Cherokee Rock Village. Thanks for tuning in to my channel there on YouTube. I appreciate y'all. Yep, we've got us a little table and a couple of trucks set up. We're getting ready to throw some batteries to it. Take a look around here. There's rock formations back here. It look very interesting. But I think everybody's over there across the parking lot. There's all kinds of people here for EF1. Yes, ExoFest. Sponsored by AOAH, RCing, Junkyard, Three Brothers, J Concepts. Yeah, we're gonna have us a fun weekend. Stay tuned, this is just part one. Yeah, we've made it out here. ExoFest EF1. We're here. But I want to show you something that's behind me right here. There's the big Raminator. Look at that thing. Holy crud. That thing is massive. Here's my hand. Look at that. That is massive, man. I'm telling you. That's awesome. We're here. We're going to have us a heck of a fun weekend here. And hope y'all are enjoying it too with me, and excited to see everybody. Got Joe, got Reefs.
What's up, man?
Heck yeah. Three Brothers, J Concepts. Here we are, Cherokee Rock Village. Yes, I got my surf up truck out here. Yeah, we're gonna crawl this little slab of rock next to the parking area. Pavilion and all that you've seen. Met a lot of good people again. Yes, but I feel as if it's time for me to crawl a little. Turning out to be a beautiful day. Beautiful day. So far, so wonderful. See if this thing will do a little side hill in action here. Ooh. Will it grab traction? I don't think it will. There we go. There we go. I am running the Hobby Wing 1800 kV SE. See those tires maybe? Give it a little twist. Yes. Good collection.
The only thing left of this one was the frame and axle housing.
Oh.
I redone the whole truck.
Heck
That's
yeah.
sharp. I really like that.
Thank you.
Hey, you didn't turn that on yet.
This one ain't dry enough to get away from me.
Am I ready?
Yep, yep. Little Tommy tip over
It
there.
ain't gonna drive back over.
No, that vine got you
Like
loose.
the hand of God, doesn't it?
Yep, that vine got you right there big time.
Yeah.
See how my suspension's working here. Running some cheap Amazon shocks, put some ballpoint pin springs in them for my droop setup.
Tell you're running brushless.
Oh yeah. Yep, definitely.
It's quiet and it's really smooth.
See if my servo will turn here. Come on, Gen 8, turn, baby, turn.
Come up.
I'm fixing to go
Come up.
this way. I'm just go up this way.
Oh, you got it.
That's for the tough test with these tiny tires.
Oh my God, look, Scott.
Ease. Turn right and ease into it. Alright. Set it back down. There you go. Now turn left.
Hey, it worked.
Oh, you didn't turn left.
I don't think I want a chance going any closer to that edge,
No, I wouldn't.
especially with
think
the
I'm
debris
gonna
and
follow
stuff on the rock.
They might let mine roll over.
Oh yeah.
I don't have any brass or anything on this. It's just got aluminum bead locks. I put Endura silicone insert in the tire too.
Yeah.
Foam
Yep.
insert.
This one's got Endura tires and the inserts.
Hey, Endura make good tires.
They make some good stuff, they really do, and they're
Especially
cheap, budget friendly, you know what I mean?
Yeah, exactly.
I don't believe it'll climb that straight up and down face right there. I don't think that's gonna happen. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna make that. Alright, so I know we didn't make that, but maybe we can make this one. This one might go for us here. Let's see if we can get it up on this part of the rock. Is there anything for me to grab a hold of? No. We'll power up it. We'll use that hobby wing. Well, stop here and give you a scenery shot. They've got some gates set up here for a comp. We'll go over this way, and there's Lake Wise, part of it. You can see it. I guess that's part of Lake Wise. We've got all these bluffs. We're going to make our way somewhere, somehow, over to one of them, and maybe get you a good scene shot. Yeah, so we're awesome. This is 9 right here. Yeah, and I guess.
I think we do 8, 9, 10, then go to 1, 2. Yeah.
I actually messaged you on.
Looks like you're going up this way. There's some nice water right there. Heck yeah. Looks like you got a gate there and a gate there. Dude, I'm telling you, this is going to be some extreme crawling features. They're running a comp over here behind me. I'm going to park my vehicle over here. Maybe catch a footage of some gates here and see what happens. These guys in this comp. Out here at Cherokee Rock Village. And show you all a little bit of competition going on with some of these guys. I'm going to park my truck over here. Yes.
Just right there.
See if it'll climb up through here. Oh yeah, come on baby. Keep pushing. There you go. A little eye-centered. I figured that would happen.
One minute, 30 seconds left. Got that one. Watch this side over here. There it is. You get
Those boundaries, hope y'all pay attention to that.
boundary.
Very nice.
Every boundary down there. Nicely done, sir.
Toast.
I'm in your way right here, Mark. Not right. I got it. And a 30. There you go.
Kind of tickle there, ain't I?
Good job, bud.
Hey,
He's burning foot, though. He probably didn't have all the chocolate. Probably right. Minute 30.
Yeah, I mean, I think my bumper is having a like a bumper. Beautiful done. We all got, us three got bumpers.
Don't wiggle it.
There it is.
Pull it straight.
Minute left.
Good, good, good.
Good job.
Good job.
Let's just go get our stuff.
Oh, yeah. Jason laid in Austin. This one.
You running a Spartan now?
There it
Jay?
is.
That's your name,
Get the
right?
V2.
Jason, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Minute left.
What you was running? What, a VRD or something there for a while?
I had the high-low.
Ooh, nice save.
What's the time?
45. Seconds.
There it is. Ooh, if it'll hold, pop it up.
15.
Keep going, keep going. You got it.
10. 9.
Work it,
8.
work it.
7.
Good job.
Well, we done the competition rounds there. Some tough gates over there. They've still got, that's just gate 8. They've still got 9 and 10 to go through. But I'm gonna go crawling some more. Just have a little trail fun here. Some good stuff though. I'm gonna